Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install Red Magic Game Space on any Android phone. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Download APK. Now just scroll down and tap on Download APK. From here, just tap on Download Anyway. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Red Magic Game Space APK to download. And once the APK is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. Now from here, just select Package Installer and tap on Always. Now just tap on Install. Now just tap on Done. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the app drawer, now as you can see, we cannot find the Red Magic Game Space on the home screen or on the app drawer. Now to fix this issue, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on Open. Now just tap on OK and enable this toggle. Now once you do that, just go back and tap on Allow. Now just tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on Download. Now from here, just tap on Red Magic Game Space and tap on Install. Now from here, tap on Settings and enable this toggle. Now just tap on Update. Now from here, just tap on Done. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone, and once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. Now from here, tap on OK. Now in the search bar, just search Red Magic Game Space. Now just tap on the Red Magic Game Space from here. Now just disable this keyboard and tap on Game Space Activity. Now from here, just tap on Launch Activity. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled the Red Magic Game Space on our smartphone. Now just go back to the Activity Launcher and tap on Create Shortcut. Now just tap on Add. Now from here, if you go to your home screen, you can find the Red Magic Game Space on your home screen. Now just tap on it to open it. Now from here, just swipe to the left side and tap on Start. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed the Red Magic Game Space on our smartphone. And this is how you can install Red Magic Game Space on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.